Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID email is typed exactly as intended. Small typos stop verification. Next, go to Settings on iPhone or Appleid. Apple. Calm and request a new verification email right now. Once sent, make sure to check spam, promotions, and any forwarding you've set up. Those often hide Apple messages. If you still don't see it, wait 3 to 5 minutes and then resend. Also verify that your mail provider isn't blocking messages from Appleid at or related senders. You should next use a trusted Apple device if available. iPhone, iPad, or Mac will show a verification prompt and provide a code. When the code appears, enter it immediately on the verification screen. Copy-paste when possible to eliminate typos. If the code fails, sign out of iCloud on the device and sign back in, then request a fresh code. Also check system time and date on your device. Incorrect time can invalidate codes, so set the device to automatic network time. You finish by confirming the email status on Appleid. Apple. It should read verified. Then sign into App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and FaceTime to ensure everything functions with the newly verified address. If verification still fails, use Apple's account recovery flow or contact Apple support and provide your device serial or purchase info. One key troubleshooting tip. Check for email forwarding or domain-level blocking at your mail provider. Temporarily disable rules and resend the verification to rule out mail routing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.